picture of the world you'll see. Make the colors bright. Bright lights are always such a sight to see. So if you knew you wouldn't follow through. What would you do when you know the whole world is through? What would you do? If we all move back to 99, would we still float on before our time? If you wanna sing your heart out, go ahead. If you wanna be like Mr. Freddy Mercury and scream, I've fallen in love. Me, I'm stuck here sitting in a lazy chair. I keep asking myself a question over and over again. What would you do if we all move back to 99? Would we still float home before our time? To save the world. Hope, truth, faith, and love is all we got to save the world. Hope, truth, faith, and love is all we got to save the world. Hope, truth, faith, and love is all we got. Yeah, we all move back to 99. Would we still float home before our time? If we all move back to 99, would we still float home before our time?